Hey everyone, Delphi Group here with our weekly trade and UOA recap that we put out every week. Just kind of going over our performance, showing you guys what we do and how we did. So before we get to the Delphi room, we're not going to spend too much time on this because we are going to talk about this more in depth in what's going on in the markets on our Tuesday market report. So please, make sure to subscribe our channel here and get alerts to our market reports. But you can see what happened here on our weekly report last week, Wednesday. We put out an alert that we felt like the markets were about to drop. Okay, for several reasons. This is our cycle line that we share with our community that's been wrong only once in over 2 years. But you can see we put these reversal notes here before the reversals even happened. And we did that last week here on Wednesday. And, lo and behold, what happened? The markets crashed. Okay, now, of course, we didn't know President Trump was going to come out with a tweet, but we did feel like the markets needed to let out some steam and head back down. So that, again, was an amazing call by us. And if we jump into the Delphi room here, again, this is our Discord channel. Okay, we have a YouTube, an X channel. This we posted again last week. In our weekly market report, is the end near for the markets. Okay, so again, we'll get more into that on Tuesday. But the point of this is we make money in up or down markets. It doesn't matter, okay, whether the markets are going up or the markets are going down. So here we are again in our week in review channel here on Discord. This is where we post, again, all our trades are posted and journalized, okay, and you can see here the Delphi signal. We had a winning week off the Delphi signal. We still have an open position on a trade there. And then overall, again, no words, picking up almost 3% for the folio. Our win percentage, 75%, just incredible. Crazy profit factor, again, in our day win rate, 6-0. And again, mind you, this is a week where the markets have crashed. Okay, so you can see that we make money up and down markets. Okay, and we continue to just crush it for the community. And taking just a closer look here, you can see some trades we had. Another put trade on ONDS, 150%. Riot, we also traded some crypto lower, 75%. MSTX, a crypto put on MicroStrategy, 71%. And, the other thing we want to point out, too, we do have losers. But, again, our winners way outnumber and outweigh our losers. You could see, you're never going to really see any losers, 75 or 100%. Okay, this is what we call risk management. You need to keep the losers less than the winners. Okay, that's how you're going to become profitable. And you can see below here our average win-loss again, over 2.35. So again, continuing to crush it here for the community. And last but not least, huge shout out to Leviathan, who in our mind is the absolute best trader maybe in the world. It's crazy to say that, but you can see what he's doing here. And again, this was on the day when crypto and Bitcoin just fell through the roof. They just absolutely, even more than the indexes, crypto absolutely just crashed. And he continues to crush it even in that kind of market. I mean, no words for this. Just look at this explosion trade. Up 2,700% on Ethereum. And this is when the markets were crashing. Okay, so again, huge shout out to him. And again, he's even in here now putting out winning trades. Okay, so we're not just about stocks, options. If you're into crypto, there's no reason not to be in our community because we just continue to crush it here. And looking at some UOA channel was a little quiet this week. But we did have one here on PayPal. Okay, you can see somebody came in. They bought over almost 6,000 contracts of these PayPal 71 calls at $1.23. And since we posted those have gone straight up. And you can see here what those have done. $1.23 we posted got as high as $5.09. Obviously, this was before the crash in the markets. So again, our UOA continues to crush it as well. So thanks for being here. Please again like, subscribe, put the word out. Again, make sure to come back and watch our Tuesday market report that we usually put out on Wednesday mornings. We're going to go over the markets, some crypto stuff, the crash that happened on Friday, and where we think the markets may go next. So please make sure to come back for that. Have a great weekend. Have a great upcoming week, and we will talk to you soon. Take care.